Set in the heart of Bethany's sought-after Wismer Ridge neighborhood, this beautifully maintained home offers comfort, space, and thoughtful design throughout. Just minutes from top-rated schools, shopping, scenic natural areas, and miles of walking trails, this location blends everyday convenience with the beauty of the outdoors. From the moment you arrive, the inviting front porch sets the tone for what's inside. Warm, welcoming, and move-in ready. Head through the front door and you're greeted by vaulted ceilings and light-filled living spaces with floor-to-ceiling windows and custom built-ins. The great room opens to the gourmet kitchen, featuring a gas cooktop, built-in oven, generous workspace, and a convenient butler's pantry, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. From here, head to the new composite deck and take in the tranquil views. The formal dining room, complete with classic wainscoting, creates an elegant setting. Plus, you'll find an additional bedroom or office and a nearby full bath. The main level primary suite is a true retreat, offering vaulted ceilings, abundant natural light, double sinks, and a soaking tub, a peaceful atmosphere at the end of the day. Downstairs, the expansive lower level provides even more room to spread out, featuring a spacious family room with a gas fireplace, 2 additional bedrooms, and a guest bath. Another deck, ideal for indoor-outdoor living, overlooks the fully fenced backyard. With a 3-car garage, major system updates already completed, and a prime location near trails, shopping, and dining, this home truly captures the best of Bethany living. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.